Hi guys, so today we have a delivery. We don't know who it's from. Isa, are you gonna open it for us?
Yes. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh wow! What is this?
Okay. Let's open it and see what's inside.
You can pull it.
No. Don't pull it.
Why don't pull it? You do it so neatly.
And slowly.
And slowly. Are you gonna use the ribbons again? What are you gonna use it for?
Stuff.
Stuff.
You know.
What? I know. Yeah, you are gonna use it. I know.
To make it into a stick. To make it very long. Oh,
Okay,
can make
let's just slide it off.
Huh?
Let's just slide it off.
Nah.
I need to see what's inside.
No. Please, please don't. Please don't. What's inside? I'll open it with the ribbon. Okay, let's see. Oh, yummy. What is this?
So this says Cadbury, gift your words this festive season. And
What is this?
oh,
Oh, wow.
this is so cool.
We can watch.
To create enchanting tales filled with wonder, awe, and inspiration continues. Stories that take children on a magical journey where they can see themselves reflected in the setting, and in the language they understand. With the festive season fast approaching, we're calling on you to help us craft captivating stories that embrace a truly South African festive celebration. Just another step in our journey to ignite a love for reading amongst our children, one word at a time. Join us and gift your words to help us co-create festive-themed stories of goodness and generosity. All you have to do is scan the QR to start translating your words, which will be collected and used to create a new story. This wonderful new story will join all the other stories being created over this time and will be available for download in all South African languages from the Cadbury in Our Own Words digital library. This is how you do it. Simply scan the code, pick the word you'd like to translate, confirm the language you would like to translate it into, and insert your translated word. Shri, which word should we translate? Let's translate goodness into Zulu. Love it. Ukulunga it is. Talking about goodness, our limited edition festive range is back. The scrumptious range includes our 3 limited edition 150-gram slabs, festive gingerbread, cinnamon crunch, butterscotch and crushed almonds, and the always popular Cadbury Dream Coated Whisper. We hope you enjoy these festive treats with your family and friends.
Cool, we can watch this on TV.
Cool. So that was a little message from Cadbury in a little screen. That's quite nice.
We can put it connected to the TV.
So it says hashtag in your own words. Follow that hashtag. And there's a Cadbury Dream Cinnamon Crunch. So that's one of the limited edition festive slabs. And we have some more great news. We are giving away a Cadbury's hamper to 10 lucky winners valued at 300 Rand each. You can have some of the Cadbury's slabs in there. There's also a Cadbury shopper, a festive stocking, as well as a bucket hat that's included in the hamper valued at 300 Rand each. Check out our website, iloveza.com. It's on our front page as well as in our competitions page as well. And follow the hashtag in our own words. And also follow us on social media. That's at iloveza.com on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Hashtag iloveza, heart South African flag. Hashtag after Fajr grind. I'm Ziyaad, and
This is Isa.
this is Isa.
And we love ZA.